to download Anylogic. So this software we use it for university, and I've just shifted from Windows to Mac OS. So it was a little tough for me, so I thought to create a video so that it can help everyone. So if you are in OVGU and you are taking the course Introduction to Simulation, you can go to the course website and then you can click to the link and go at the bottom of the page, and where it shows Anylogic instruction page. From there you can click on Anylogic download page and you can just come to this part, and you have to download personal learning edition. So only download this one because this one is free, and you can just click here the free version, and then it will ask you some of the details and also your operating system. So for me it was Windows before, but now it's Mac, so I'm gonna choose this one and I'm gonna fill all my details. So after filling out the details, I'm gonna put in the professional field a student, and in this area, in which area will you use Anylogic, I'm just gonna go ahead and put machine learning and AI, or I can either choose other. So I think I'll just choose other, and I'm just gonna unsubscribe. I don't want to sign up for the learning materials and product update. I just want to download it, and it will take a while to download. I can see it here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and double click it so that it can start opening, and this is the package which we want to install. So I'm gonna double click on it so that it installs, and it's gonna ask me to just go through the steps. I'm just gonna go ahead and gonna click continue, agree, and I'm just gonna go ahead and click install. It will ask me my password, so I'll put in my password. And if you want a full version, you can request the professor and they can give you a key so that you can install the licensed version, and it has some extra features, but for student and learning purposes I think this what we have is more than sufficient. So this is installed, and it asked me to put the installer file to the bin. I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and if I want to search where it is, it's gonna be in the applications. It's here, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to run it. So this is the personal learning edition, still running fast. So this is the software, and thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.